use the create the new users in our on-premise server 2025. And for this, so what we will do, we'll log into the server 2025, which we have put it into domain, which is our example.local. See guys, here the name is there. Now I will type the my password, which was used when I created the machine. The same password we will type. We have not changed any kind of password, guys. Just put the machine into the domain. So and created it's an Active Directory domain services, which is a domain controller. We have made this machine, and now we will what we'll do. We will create two dummy users, create dummy users in our Active Directory server 2025. So now the server is loading, guys. Now once the server manager will open, here you can write it as test, or if you want, you can also give a dot just for capturing this region. Now I will go to Active Directory users and computers, and from there I will create the users, guys. It is a bit slow, so now once the user gets created, we'll add the customer or the users in Office 365. Okay, in Microsoft Office 65 portal, guys. So let's create the users now. This is our computer name, which is our domain controller, guys. Now I will go to the Active Directory users and computers, and now from there I will create the users. And the second thing also, you can create the users through a PowerShell command also. That would be more easy way, or auto as it is taking some more time depending upon the RAM, because as you can see, guys, we have taken the effort, and it is about 5.86 GB of ISO file is there, which is very big for the server 2025, and that's for it's taking so time. Because of this, now we'll check on Active Directory users and computers. You will go. It's loading. Now you can see that our domain is registered here, example.local, on our on-premise server. So I am saying, guys, I'm telling you, an on-premise means it's a machine which we have set up on our local machine, local system, not on Microsoft Office 365. Okay, guys. So now what we will do, I will create the users here. I will go to users, and here I will start adding the users. Create and new user I will create. Okay. So let's say I will create the simple user as John. Okay, and our domain is example.local. So j.toe we will write, and we'll create this user. Now according to next we'll do, and we will give the password to him. So that's a password I can give for this user. Simple. Okay, and you will ensure that user must change password at next login. If you don't want that, okay, then you can uncheck that box. So I will uncheck the box because I want uh, don't want the user to change the password at next login. So the finally this user gets created, guys, in the name of John Doe. Okay, I will ensure that the first and last name should be capital, because it is easy to recognize the users when we provision it in Office 365 also. Okay, and so that will be easy for us to identify. Okay, that is okay. Now apply. Okay, now we will create another user which is in the name of John Smith. I will create. So James Smith I can create. Next user, J Smith, first and last initial you can give. So this I have given. Now next, here also I can uncheck it and give the password, which the same which I have given to the other, or it also can depend upon your convenience. It's just for testing purpose, guys. Password is not okay. I have forgot to correction. So now I have created successfully the two users in our on-premise machine of Windows Server 2020-25. Now I would ensure that this user should be a part of Active Directory, and here guys you can see other roles also. There are guest users, there are group policy of member users. Okay, so there are different functionality, and DNS admin is also there, which is DNS administrator. Group is there, and it's, you can see that's a member of Active Directory domain service role. Okay, so now we are concerned only about the Jane Smith and John Doe. These two users we have created. Now after this, what we will see, after creation, we just run a simple PowerShell command or terminal admin to ensure that this we are able to see in our list or not. Okay, so here also you can find these users, and PowerShell also you can do. So if I want to check if my users are there or not, see if there. And from Jane also you can see Jane Smith is there. So both are there, and they are a part of our domain. Okay, when you go to account here, example.local. Okay, so this is all about our user creation. Now guys, so in the next video what we will see, we will enroll these users in our Office 65 so that we can register this domain in our Microsoft Office 65 portal. So thank you for watching guys.